LSU.
We got a run rule now, but you got to go 5.
Extra inning base hits in the nightcap by Lassiter. A run-scoring double in the first. Ruderty.
She put on a visor.
And she had an RBI double in the first. Bajon had a 3-run double in the second. And Tori Edwards had a 4-run swing in the third. Her 4th home run of the year, her 2nd grand slam.
By this time, these players have to be soaked a little bit. It's in the 50s. Lordy, I'm glad I'm not coaching third base.
You've gotten softer and softer in your older age.
No, that's absolutely true.
And I remember the days you'd be out there saying, let's play another one.
So we have an update on baseball? Are they still playing?
The final was 12-1 in the nightcap against Omaha. That series is over. LSU winning the first and third games in the series. Tigers dropped a 5-4 decision to Omaha earlier today and then came back with a 12-1 victory in the nightcap.
They went 9 innings? They're finished already? They went 9 innings?
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, this the game before us. Yeah, our previous game was awfully slow.
There's a call, 3rd strike. And Vallejo getting better and better with the lead. It's 12-2 LSU as we go to the bottom of the 4th inning. This pitch finds the outside edge with raindrops falling. 7 hits, no errors for Nicholls, which actually had the lead after a half inning, but hasn't scored since then. LSU with 2 in the first, 4 in the second, 6 in the third. And the Tigers, with this 10-run lead, need only to hold 8 or better and get Nicholls in the 5th. And this game will be ending in run rule fashion.
Look, see, she's got something on her belt that she can...
Here's Samaya Jones.
What do you call those things? Football players wear them all the time.
Just hand warmers.
No, like the muff pocket.
No, I know.
Like it's like
Yeah, you put your hand in there and it's protected. Samaya Jones came into the game as a pinch runner. And she's going to get an at-bat here.
That looks like a sweatband. Could be wrong. It's happened before. It'll happen again.
Jones lifts one to deep left center field, but it's going to stay in the ballpark. It's caught a couple of strides before the dirt out there on the warning track. Samaya gave it a ride.
Yeah, it sounded like maybe it had a chance. Of course, you got these little kids screaming anytime the ball is hit hard. Kind of throws you.
Uccelli makes that play on the fly ball deep to center by Jones. And here is Lano. She has walked and scored and popped up to the second baseman. Or excuse me, it's Bedell at the plate. So Savannah Bedell is going to get an opportunity here.
Got a few Georgia girls on the team. Bedell, Lano, there'll be more than that.
LSU has Madison Manning in the on-deck circle, so she's going to bat in this inning, presumably.
Madison Manning from West Monroe. Our high school coach just won her 600th game yesterday. It's a lot in high school.
Yes, it is. sophomore. LSU can run quite a large number of left-handed batters to the plate. But Dell hits it hard, and it curls right back into the mitt of Leyland Sturm. Sturm was hustling to her left, and that ball kind of started to the middle and then came back her way. That's a well-struck ball by the pinch hitter Bedell, but nothing to show for it.
Can't hit it any better, but it's an atom ball.
So Jones and Bedell both have hit the ball hard. And here's Manning.
Manning played some third base last year when Coffey got hurt.
Madison Manning, a sophomore out of West Monroe. First pitch swinging and chopping it into the dugout on the third base side, and then it rolls away. LSU is on the cusp of winning for the 14th straight time to open the season. This is lofted out into left center field. It's a base hit for the pinch hitter Manning. That's always satisfying a bit. Manning has not been a steady part of the lineup, but she comes off the bench with a nice swing and a base hit.
Yep, she got some chances last year, and I mean, that'll get your coach's attention.
Certainly it will. And LSU will go with its fourth straight pinch hitter. This will be Savoie. Abigail Savoie. A junior from Branch, Louisiana.
She and Bergeron went to the same high school. Notre Dame of Crowley.
Savoie trying to extend the inning with 2 outs. To this point, this is the only frame in which LSU has not scored. And the Tigers with a 10-run lead. They will carry at least that into what could be the final inning in the top of the 5th. Here we go. Savoie lets it rise high.
So hard to pitch in this.
The 3-0 pitch comes in tight.
So give me another ball. I don't want that one.
Savoie walks on 4 pitches. So Manning and Savoie have extended the inning, and we go back to Danica Coffey.
Danica on base.